Students, change clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, number 1. Is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves?
Radiation.
Okay, radiation. Okay, number 2. Is the transfer of heat through direct contact? Conduction. Number 3. Is the transfer of heat through the movement of fluids? Convection. Okay, number 4. Boiling water in a pot where hot water rises and cooler water sinks?
Convection.
Who says convection? Isa kamot.
Ang conviction ba?
Convection answer.
Conviction mo.
Convection. Okay, the correct answer is convection.
Yes.
Okay, number 5. Feeling the warmth of the sun rays on your skin?
Radiation.
Okay, number 6. Holding a hot cup of coffee and feeling the heat transfer to your hands.
Conduction.
Rancel? Conduction. Okay, number 7. Heat lamps are infrared heaters that warm objects through radiation? Radiation. Okay, number
8.
Okay, number 8. Atmospheric circulation, where warm air rises and cooler air sinks. Convection.
Hey everyone, today I'm gonna present about socialism. What is socialism? Can you read it, Laura? Socialism means sharing wealth and resources equally among people. Example, countries like Sweden and Norway have socialist-inspired policies that provide strong welfare programs and public services. Ang sosyalismo or socialism ay isang sistema ng pampolitika at pang-ekonomiya kung saan ang pamahalaan o ang buong sambayanan ang nagmamay-ari at kumukontrol sa mga negosyo, lupa at yaman ng bansa. Kung ikaw ay isang may-ari ng mga negosyo, lupa at yaman, ano ang iyong gagawin?
Okay, question. We're going to answer. Ralph. Tristan.
Kung ikaw ay isang may-ari ng mga negosyo, lupa at yaman, ano ang iyong gagawin? Kung sa buhatan, kung ikaw ang nag-own sa negosyo, mga lupa, mga yaman.
Okay, Ralph. Palagoon. Ano pa? Sige, answer mo. Okay, Tristan.
Share.
Share. Okay, that's all? Okay, Kasha, your topic is all about socialism. So it means sharing wealth and resources equally among people. Okay, so saan pasabutan na? If
I-share nila ang mga resources.
i-share ang resources equally na. Okay. Muna socialism. Next. Okay, so Nora are going to discuss about monarchy. Okay, Nora?
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about monarchy. So, what is monarchy? Tristan, can you read what is monarchy?
A government where a king, queen, or emperor serves as the head of the state.
So, from the word head, siya ang leader o leadership sa inyong family or di sa inyong state. Leadership is usually inherited. So, unsa din ang inherited? Ang inherited kay mana or ipamana sa inyong parents sa kanang kayamanan or sa inyong own. Example, inyong parents kay king or queen. Tapos katong wala sila, surrender na sila sa ilang trono, ikaw ang i-inherit sa ilang ilang trono. So, ikaw ang crown prince or crown princess. So, any question or clarification?
Question. Clarification. Again, unsang monarchy?
Or inherit?
Okay. Pinaka-Nora pa, ang monarchy daw is a government where a king, queen, or emperor serve as the head of the state. So, unsa man?
Bilang ipamana.
Sila no, for example, ang king o ang queen. Oh, head sila. And in that way, sa mao man na, di ba? Kasagaran man nato makita sa salida. Dapat ang king na ay anak. Kay haron naa siya ay mapasahan sa iyang trono or iyang corona, di ba? Haron siya ang mo serve as unsa man kung for example kung mamatay siya or need na niya mo pahuway. So naa siya ay unsa man naa siya ay mabilinan. So mao na ang monarchy. Okay, next reporter.
Hey everyone, I'm very proud of you to discuss about the oligarchy. Is any idea kasi ginagawa ng oligarchy? Troy. So, ang oligarchy daw kay power concentrated in a small group. Ang power daw nga i-concentrated nila sa small group. Example, pareha ng mga ancient Sparta kanang na-concentrate sila o train para maprotektahan nilang kanang country.
Okay. Tristan, your topic it's all about oligarchy.
Oligarchy.
Oligarchy. Oligarchy. Okay, so unsa ganito ang oligarchy? Ha?
Power concentrated sa small group.
Power of concentrated. Okay, example sa asa to? Ancient Sparta. Okay, so unsa man gibuhat sa mga kuan ana in that time?
Nag-train sila bisan pagbata pa sila.
Okay, nag-train sila bisag bata pa sila to protect unsa man?
Protect sila lugar.
Okay, to protect their fellow citizen or fellow nila, mga pamilya nila. Okay, that's good. Any question? L3 student. Clarification. Okay, next reporter.